Welcome back, Crammers, to question 18. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. So we can see triangle A gets larger towards triangle B. So we can write enlargement. We have to describe this transformation. By what factor does it enlarge? We can actually look at the base of A, which is 1 unit, and the base of B, which is 3 units. So that means that 1 times, let's write enlargement, is equal to 3. We divide both sides by 1, divide by 1. So that means the enlargement is simply equal to 3, a factor of 3, in fact. Enlargement by a factor of 3. We can check this by looking at the sides of A and B. So sides of A is 2, and then the side of B is 3. So we can check this. 2 times 3, is it equal to 6? Let's see. 2 times 3 is 6. Is this equal to 6? Yes, this is correct. Okay. Now, on the grid above, translate triangle A by a vector of negative 4, 3. Label your triangle C. Okay, now when dealing with vectors, it always follows x over y. And x deals with left or right. Y deals with up or down. Now, if the value is negative, it's to the left. If it's positive, it's to the right. But when dealing with the y-axis, if it's positive, it goes up. If it's negative, it goes down. So let's see here. Translate triangle A. We can always start with 1 point, and we can see here that it's negative 4. So on the x-axis, we move 4 to the left because it's negative. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then 3 positive on the y-axis means it goes up. So 1, 2, 3. We can write a cross over there, and we can do the other points. So again, 4 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3 up, 1, 2, 3, cross there, and finally for the last point, 4 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 up, 1, 2, 3, cross there, and we can draw this triangle now, and don't forget to label it as. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram and Scram.